Next is heavy load, also known as build typhoon in car robots. As you can see, he is a dump truck, and you can move the bed up and down. And one thing that really confuses me is the cab here. Now, the dump truck's cabs are supposed to be on the side here, but here they put it in the middle here, which I don't understand why, but okay. And that's about it for vehicle mode. So now to transform him. Now, him and Hightower's transformations are both the same. Well, heavy load here has a couple extra steps. So I'm only gonna say a couple steps on the transformation. But if you want to know the full transformation, go watch my Hightower review. But let's get him in leg mode. And all you have to do here for heavy load is remove the bed. And the rest is the same as Hightower. But you will have to move this up, so that way you can have some room to flip up his feet. And he still has the same feet that flips down on both sides. And there you go. So now, robot mode. Now, his arms here tabs in on the sides here using these pegs and these holes. Now, for the cab here, what you want to do is you want to rotate it around with this thing here. And then bring it all the way back so that this hole will go through this here. Then you want to rotate the cab itself around. Open up this piece, flip out his head, and then you want to tab the bucket on this hole and this peg. And I meant to say bed, not bucket. And there you go. And if I zoom in, you can see that heavy load here has a smirk on him. And everything else is basically the same as Hightower. And he still has the same weird feet here, where they're too big. And he still has the same articulation. But the bed of the truck here, you can remove it, and when you push on this Autobot symbol here, it becomes a claw weapon. And you can have him hold it from this peg and either one of these holes. So now to get him in body mode, it's the same as Hightower, except first I will have to remove his weapon. You fold in Heavy Load's head. So I'm gonna quickly get him into his body mode. And it's the same transformation as Hightower's. So if you want to know how to transform this guy into his body mode, go watch my Hightower review. I think you're supposed to rotate this cab around. I think. I think that's the correct way. And there you go. And wedge attaches in the same holes and pegs like on Hightower. And he can still hold the same weapons in these holes. And when you fold these wheels down, you can still have him hold the claw weapon on the same peg and same hole. So that's about it. So stay tuned for part 4, where we're gonna take a look at the last component of the build team.